In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 controller won't turn on or charge. Intro. First, go ahead and grab the original USB-C cable that came with your PS5 if you still have it. If not, just use another USB-C cable. But plug one end into the controller and plug the other end into a power source. If charging through the PS5 doesn't work, try a different power source like a laptop, computer, or wall charger. Any of those work. And if the battery is fully dead, you might not see any lights for the first few minutes, so just leave it charging for about 5 minutes before trying again. If it still won't turn on, flip the cable around, try charging it again, and you should also test different USB-C cables in case the first one is faulty, but check the charging port on your controller by blowing into the port to remove any dust or debris, and you can also gently clean it with something small, but be careful not to damage the actual port. If it's still not working, reset your controller by turning it over, and you're going to see a small little pinhole near the Sony logo. Use a toothpick, a pin, or something similar to just hold the button inside for about 30 seconds. After that, plug the controller directly into your PS5 with the USB cable, and then of course go ahead and press and hold the PlayStation button firmly until the lights turn on. If nothing works, gently tap the back sides of the controller with your hand and then plug it in and try turning it on again. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.